Okay, Mr. Philip Fox, you took some profits. I'm assuming. Feel like one of those. You took some profits there. Very good. So let's move into the. Let's go back to the dollar CAD here. Okay, we're looking at the daily. See, dollar CAD just tested parity. We just took our first set of profits there. Again, we're getting a quick little pierce above the 99.85 area. The parity level of dollar CAD actually right after the monetary statement and prior to the Bank of Canada press conference. That's in about 15 minutes or so, 10 minutes. Most of you guys have taken profits around 10 points. We still have about a possible break to 10030. Uh, Again, we're still short euro yen. Keep in mind, guys, that our target of 117 that we've been talking about so far this week has been tested. We did take profits on the euro yen. That's correct. Way to go, Maria. And again, we entered that trade on Monday. Right now, we're positive 185 on euro yen, and we're now again we already removed majority of our trade there, but look for another test of 117, and if it doesn't break 117, then at that point, sometime today, I'll close this trade out here, which is this euro yen here. So if 117 is not tested, or if it is tested, I'll probably close out my remaining trade, or what I have remaining on this trade today on euro yen. Um, for dollar CAD, like we said, guys, parity will be tested. That's where we will take profits. We did that, and now our stop should be at break even. And again, just like I was explaining to you traders that are fresh out the box, this is actually all these are good learning lessons. What you've seen today so far, we've taken about 5 trades, and all 5 were successful. Well, correction, one was a loss. So out of 5, you took one loss. But these are good learning lessons. You can see how we, again, what you should be writing down in your journals is, the best feeling in the world is when you are in a trade and there's nothing at risk. That's the best feeling in the world, and that's you can improve on positioning yourself like a game of chess. You position yourself so that you can maximize as much as you can and risk nothing. So in this case, dollar CAD, if it comes back and stops me out at break even, then that so be it. We'll leave the trade alone after that. We'll probably look for another re-entry after the press conference of Bank of Canada. We are in dollar CAD from 99.85 to parity, which is 1. Way to go, Mr. Michael. Um, Mr. Jeffries, way to go. You made 11 points on euro yen. Philip Fox, I believe you still have um, positions in the euro yen. That's correct. And again, guys, what I'm saying is that notice how our target, we talked about this on Monday when we entered. Let me zoom in here. We talked about this on Monday that 117 was going to be our pretty much our main target, and it was tested this morning around 2 a.m. If euro yen now breaks through 117.50 and travels along that for the next 50 points, I'll probably close out uh, this last position that I have, which I'm positive 180. My last position around 117. Um, so again, that's what I'm gonna. That's the update on euro yen. For some of you guys that have been scalping the euro yen this morning, you got in at 117 Let me move into the 15-minute chart. For some of you guys that been that scalped in at 117.70, you saw how 117.50 was tested. We did say that be on the lookout for the next candlestick. We're in a 15-minute chart now, guys. Right. So, Mr. Philip Fox, you guys made some nice points. Notice the next candlestick here before this one closes, which is in two and a half more minutes. Keep your eye on that 15-minute RSI. And 117.50 was tested, and you can see how Euro Yen bounced from 117.50. So again, for you guys that jumped in at 117.75, you made about a nice 20 points. Way to go! Pat yourself on the back. Nice trade.